Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and Me. Today we are going to be making some pasta, but not just any pasta. We will be making this really delicious, really easy to make beetroot pasta. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! Today we will be using 250 grams of beetroot pasta, 100 grams of mature cheddar cheese, 100 grams of Parmesan cheese, 100 grams of nicely chopped spring onion, 3 tablespoons of plain flour, 1 medium bowl of peas, 1 nicely chopped carrot, and then we also have 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, along with 50 grams of butter, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, half a litre of milk, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. The first step in making a beetroot pasta is to boil the pasta. So for that we're going to take some hot water and add it to a pan. Then we'll add in some salt and olive oil. This is so the pasta doesn't stick. Then once you can see the water is boiling, we'll add in the beetroot pasta and then give this a gentle mix. So whilst we let the pasta boil, we're going to saute our vegetables. So we're just going to take a pan and add in around 1 tablespoon of our olive oil. Then we'll just let this heat up. So once the oil is heated, we're going to add in 2 chopped garlic cloves, along with our spring onion, carrots and peas. So after giving this a gentle mix, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt and then give it another mix again before letting this cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Whilst our vegetables cook, we're just going to check on our pasta, so just give it a little mix before letting it cook for another few minutes again. As you can see, our pasta is now fully cooked. You can check this by trying to just press them on the side of the pot to see if they break. If they do break, that means they're soft enough, meaning that it is cooked. So now we're just going to strain all the excess water out, so we are left with just the pasta. Coming back to our vegetables, as you can see they're nicely sauteed, so we're just going to add in 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1.5 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Then we're going to give this a really nice mix before adding in our pasta. So now everything is nicely mixed, we're going to add in our pasta and give this one last mix. At this stage you can add in some chili flakes as well if you'd like to boost the spice levels. And now we're going to move on to making the white sauce. So now in order to make the white sauce, we're going to take another pan and add in our butter. We'll also add in a drop of olive oil just to make sure nothing sticks to the pan. And then once the butter has nicely melted, we can add in the rest of our garlic and saute it until we get this nice deep golden brown colour. This is when you know it's time to add in the plain flour, which we're going to gently mix in, trying to avoid lumps because we want this sauce to be as smooth as possible. So once the flour has nicely mixed in, you know it's time to start adding in the milk little by little. Again, this is to ensure the smoothness of the sauce, trying to avoid all the lumps. So make sure your flame is on a low to medium and just keep continuously mixing. Once you reach this consistency, we can add in the rest of our milk and again just continuously mix it. Now you can see that our sauce is nice and smooth, it's got a nice thick consistency. So it's time to add in our spices and herbs. So we have 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Then again we're just going to mix this in. At the same time we're going to add in our cheese. This is to ensure that our sauce is nice and rich in flavour, and also to add a nice shine to the sauce. So again, we'll mix it well. Just keep your flame on medium to low. Now it's time for plating! I hope you've liked this recipe, and if you did, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy cooking!